False. We always capture our memories with camera or smartphones. But what if our captured photos are blurry, low quality or low resolution? Well, in this situation, we should try to improve or enhance low quality photos to high quality, fix blurry or low resolution photos into high resolution photos. But then the question is how to do it? How to improve low quality pictures? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video. Watch the video full and follow the steps by downloading the application from the links in description and pin comment to enhance low quality photos into high quality. Hey folks, Masfokil from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to enhance low quality photo to high quality in one click using Best Photo Enhancer app for PC. First, using this AI image enhancer for PC, we can not just fix blurry images but can also remove noise of pictures. That's not it, we can also enlarge or upscale images. So without wasting any time, let's get started to know about Best Photo Enhancer app for PC, and here I am talking about HitPop Photo Enhancer. HitPop Photo Enhancer is an automatic ultra quality AI photo enhancer that can enhance image quality and resolution. The best part, HitPop Photo Enhancer can upscale to 4K and 8K, fix blurry picture to make portrait flawless, can also colorize old photos, remove noise and improve low lighting images. And here are the powerful and amazing AI features of HitPop Photo Enhancer. And all this can be done in 3 simple steps. Wow, that seems really impressive. Let's give it a try, and for that follow the links in description and pin comment to visit this official HitPop Photo Enhancer website. Now click on try it free. It starts downloading, and once HitPop Photo Enhancer free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have HitPop Photo Enhancer. First, we can do so much with HitPop Photo Enhancer, but today I wanna show you all how to improve low quality photos to high quality. And for that, simply click on choose file to import a photo that you want to enhance. Selected one. Now our photo gets imported. You can see the picture quality. Now we will use HitPop Photo Enhancer to improve photo quality. From here in face model, we can select mode. Soft mode is already selected. We can change it to soft version 2 or sharp. Also, if there are multiple faces in photo, we can select faces by clicking on select faces. And at bottom here, we need to select photo resolution to how much we want to increase image quality. If we want little improvement, then we can select 100%. I am going to select 800%. Now click on preview. It starts processing and may take some time. Can see the progress over here. Once done, here we have the result with original photo. You can see image quality has been increased. Can also zoom to see the difference. This is just insane work from HitPop Photo Enhancer. Now to download the image, simply click on export. It starts processing. Once done, we can move to complete it, and see, here we have our enhanced photo. Click on this to open folder containing our photo. This is simply crazy. Well, it's just insane. Same way you can also change low quality image to high quality image using HitPop Photo Enhancer. There are many more features of HitPop Photo Enhancer that you can try to fix blurry, low quality or low resolution photos. Now you may ask, is HitPop Photo Enhancer free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's talk about HitPop Photo Enhancer pricing plans, and for that, here we are back on official website. Now click on this. Here we have different pricing plans for HitPop Photo Enhancer. We can choose a plan as per our requirement. I will highly recommend you try out HitPop Photo Enhancer if you are looking to enhance photo quality, and if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this, and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in in Hindi. Do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all how to convert MP4 to MP3 on PC without losing any quality. First, have you got your files corrupted like Word and now looking to repair corrupted files? Then this video is for you.